Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can link Facebook account in Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click in the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown right in front of you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, this is the interface of the website that is shown to you. Now you just have to look in the navigation bar. In the right side of the navigation bar, there is orders and account button. Just click on orders and account button. And when that section is opened, you just have to look in the left hand side. There are a list of multiple things. You just have to scroll down until you see account and security button. Just click on account and security button and that section will be opened right in front of you. Now you just have to scroll down. So there are third-party accounts and there are options for Facebook, Apple, X or Twitter. So currently we are going to link FB or Facebook account with Temu. So in the right hand side of Facebook there is a link button. Just click on the link button. Now you just have to enter your password. After that you just need to press on the continue button that is in the right hand side of the pop-up box. And when you press on the continue button, they will verify you in the Facebook, and if it is verified, you will be able to link Facebook account in Temu. So this is how you can easily link Facebook account in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.